In this video, we are going to demonstrate how you can use the same number and account of WhatsApp on your Android device and iPhone. Before moving forward, ensure you update the app on your Android phone and iPhone for the latest version. Let's see how to do it. We are assuming the Android phone as the first device that has WhatsApp already installed and linked to the same number. Now, on your iPhone, download and install WhatsApp from the App Store. Once installed, open the app. Now, open WhatsApp on iPhone, then tap on Agree and Continue. Press the three dots in the top right corner of your screen when prompted to enter your phone number. Now select the Link this device option. You will now see a QR code displayed on your phone's screen. Switch to your primary Android phone to scan this code. Once the code is scanned, you're all set. iPhone will take some time to sync the chats, and after that, you can use the iPhone as the secondary linked device to the same number. Having mastered the technique of using WhatsApp on an Android phone and iPhone using the same number, why not elevate your tech skills? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.